This is VITURE Luma Ultra XR glasses, and this is redefining content viewing and productivity. A huge shout out to the folks at VITURE for giving us the whole suite of the VITURE Luma XR glasses box, which comes with a ton of things. And today we're going to explore all of them and of course how you can get started with this device. So what is in this box? For starters, this contains the full option of VITURE line of Ultra product and is satisfying to unbox as much as it is super satisfying to use. So this box comes with various cables, adapters and dongles. There's also lots of stickers that you find here. Interestingly, the folks at VITURE have also partnered with the folks at 8BitDo as you find two game controllers, and this can be used for Steam Deck, Xbox and also PlayStation. There's also this extendable game controller for mobile devices, which is pretty interesting. And we have the Luma XR glasses, which is pretty nice to hold. There's an AI powered NeckBand, which is a system that runs completely on its own, and we're going to talk about that pretty soon. At the same time, you also find the VITURE Pro mobile dock, which is a 30,000 amp power bank that also doubles as a multimedia entertainment connector. There's a HDMI adapter and of course more stickers. I mean, who wouldn't want them? So all of these are super nice and they're all built with top quality. The VITURE Luma XR glasses is your window to immersive views of so many forms of content. And it comes with a case, and in the case you also find a magnetic cable which you can use to connect to other devices and connect to the Luma XR glasses for immersive content viewing. And surprisingly, this is super light on the face and pretty comfortable to wear and use. And when compared to the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, they kind of look the same from the front view, but that is only where they look the same. Outside that, this is nothing like the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. The Luma Ultra comes with a lot of pleasing and futuristic features that simply makes it an amazing product, from the almost transparent inner body all the way to the futuristic streak of light that runs through the glasses when the glasses gets powered by any device. This gives you that techie futuristic feeling. And for comfort, this comes with different types of nose pads which are swappable. Something else which is also for comfort is the rear ends of the glasses. These are very soft and they simply sit perfectly on the ear. And depending on whether you use glasses or not, there is adjustable rotary knobs that can help adjust the left or the right eye for better immersive viewing experience. There's also a couple of control buttons which you can use to adjust various stuff. The viewing angle on these glasses can also be adjusted, so you can either adjust it all the way up or all the way down. Some other interesting things that comes with this which makes it a bit more techie-ish is the cameras. And for camera, this comes with 3 different cameras which allows for finger tracking. And the Ultra glasses ships with 6 DOF, which means that you can look and move around your 3D scenes, unlike the 3DOF, which only allows you to look around. So you can keep your menu at a specific place, go around the menu, and possibly leave that, go over to somewhere else, and come back and meet the same scene that you've set up before. And for audio, this simply uses Harman Audio EFX, which is pretty nice because the quality of sound that you get out of this is quite satisfying. Now for connection, this comes with its own cable and comes with various cables as well that you can use to connect different devices. The very basic cable that you always use is the magnetic connection cable that comes alongside with the case, and these can be snapped on the glasses and connected to your phone or any other device. And once you put this on, this gives you a vibrant 152-inch screen with per eye resolution of 1920 by 1200 with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is by far one of the best that we've seen. And for brightness, this offers about 1500 nits of brightness. And content consumption and usage with this is super, especially in terms of immersiveness, as this gives you the right amount of immersiveness as you can still be aware of your environment while still engaging with the content. And this is all thanks to the see-through glasses that it ships with, alongside the electromagnetic shade that you can turn on or turn off. And over the time we've been using this, I've just simply favored these over the Meta Quest as it's pretty simple to use and fits into everyday use. It is light, easy, almost looks like every other accessory that you're putting on, and doesn't have that bulkiness of the Meta Quest, which makes it an amazing product to have. If you'd like to play your Nintendo Switch for longer with an immersive experience, you can now do that with the VITURE Pro mobile dock. This is more like a connector and a hub for entertainment. And because this also doubles as a power bank with 30,000 amps, it means that you can enjoy content for longer. And the mobile dock supports multi-viewer mode and also comes with a built-in HDMI adapter port. So if you like to connect to a HDMI device, or possibly you like to share a gaming, a movie, or any kind of experience with a loved one, this port allows you to do all of that. If you enjoy mobile gaming, then the extendable game controller is a must-have accessory. In terms of the gaming devices, the folks at VITURE have partnered with the folks at 8BitDo to produce 2 game controllers and this extendable one. Now the extendable one is for those who love gaming with their mobile devices. And this currently has massive support for Android, with iOS support coming soon. But by far, this gives you some amazing gaming experience, especially when paired with the glasses, as this immerses you right into the game. Interestingly, you can also connect these to different consoles as well, which includes PlayStation, Xbox, and so much more. And for the game controllers, the build quality of the game controllers are solid. They look and feel good to play with. These also comes with some responsive keys, tactile bumpers, and customizable ergonomic rear buttons, which is pretty impressive, especially if you like to make some customizations based off certain games that you'll be playing. And for more extended playback time, you can also connect the extendable mobile gaming controller to a power supply which charges your device when gaming via the USB-C power port. And for those working with iOS, as much as you can connect the VITURE glasses directly to your mobile phone and enjoy all of those potentials that it offers, if you like to unlock a more enhanced 3DOF VR immersion, then the USB-C charging XR adapter comes in super handy for that, as that offers more immersive options to iPhone users. And one very interesting device which the folks at VITURE has also put together is the NeckBand Pro, and this is a complete system on its own, as this powers up with the Skywalker app and lets you work independently. This is a wearable spatial computing device which is being powered by Android, and this offers between 8 to 12 gig of RAM, 128 to 256 gig of internal storage with a battery life of 3280 milliamps, and this battery gives you up to 4 hours of video playback. And for charging, this uses a standard USB-C. In terms of connectivity, this offers both Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C ports which you can use to connect to various devices as well. This at the same time gives you a 3DOF for tracking and smooth follow, and this device allows for gesture control, which is your primary means of interacting with its operating system. You can either use your hand gestures to get things going, or you can connect the mouse and the keyboard to this and start doing your productivity stuff on the go. By default, this is preloaded with all of the essential Google apps that you might want to work with. However, if there are apps that you're looking for, you can access them via the Play Store. It is also worth mentioning that this is a very brilliant device that actually allows you to connect to so many stuff. So you can also remote connect to your PlayStation and also remote connect to your Xbox. And that is not all. If you're thinking about casting your Android device to this, or possibly you like to cast your computer to it, you can also do that as well. In terms of apps that this comes preloaded, which has to do with gesture, there are 3 major gesture apps that you can find here. One of them gets to teach you about the solar system. Then we've also got the paintbrush. Now the paintbrush is also another interesting one that allows you to do some nice doodling in XR. One other cool gesture-based app which is also here is the Ghost game, and the Ghost game is more like a 3D rendition of what you have with classic Angry Bird. At the same time, this comes with a built-in AI agent which is called Wizard, so you can just simply pop Wizard up and have conversations just like you would do with every other AI assistant. By the side of the neckband is the settings button, and the settings button initiates a menu. This menu gives you access to a few controls, from the head tracking to you being able to record your screen, all the way to switching to a tablet mode which is more of a stock Android mode. So if this is something that you like to experience, possibly you just want to experience the pure stock Android tablet form, this is going to get you there. And so once you switch to this, that is where your keyboard and mouse actually comes in super handy, as gesture-based actions are not supported in this mode. So from here you can do basically every other thing that you can do on a tablet device, but with just the neckband, your glasses, a keyboard, and the mouse. And this gives you all of that computing power in a small form factor. Like we mentioned earlier, you can either choose to cast the computer screen to this, or you can simply connect just the glasses to your computer and use it as an extended display. It is worth mentioning that the Spacewalker app needs to be installed on your PC to allow you to do more with it. And so with the Spacewalker app, this is going to ask you for the type of screen that you want. So if you like a wide screen, which is pretty wide by the way, this is going to offer you that wide screen real estate, which is amazing. This is so immersive that it draws you super in. At the same time, you can request for 3 individual extended displays, and this would also offer that. And with this, you can now have 3 individual displays, and all of this is just happening with the glasses. After a few weeks of usage, these are the type of tech that you just wish you had explored previously, for the sole purpose that it just brings that future of immersive productivity and entertainment to your fingertips without the bulk feeling of having a VR headset or the complexities of even connecting a VR headset to your PC, just to do the very basic thing that you can do with the XR glasses. And of course, by every means, if you do have an opportunity to explore this, or possibly you like to grab this, you can simply go over to the link in the description that will bring you right here, where you'll be able to see the lineup from the folks at VITURE and explore them. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at this, links to all of this is going to be in the description, and of course a huge shout out to the folks at VITURE for making this possible. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.